Looks like a whole pop-up shop today on campus. Nice. Time to find my friends. Or my friend that's out here anyway. Oh, there she is. Yes.
Stop. No, seriously, stop.
What's up?
No, but seriously, that's OG. I don't
A white one or a yellow one?
Okay. I'll go white.
White? Okay.
Yeah.
These are free?
Yeah.
Oh, no. These are guard petals on the end. They're not wilting, so if you just peel these off and put them in water, they'll really start to bloom.
Oh, nice.
Also, here is a $5 off.
Nice. Ooh, I will. I love plants. Wow. Thank you.
I'm part of the
This looks great, and it seems like everyone's hungry, so we can start now. We'll start from your left, my right. Covered food is the same as what's open.
Oh my gosh. She doesn't want to be in my vlog anymore. Maybe on a night out. Time to look at some more stuff. Hey everybody, I'm here to start the series of the Smile Direct Club. Got the box here, got it in the mail today. Yep, so it's, for those who don't know, Smile Direct is a company who do aligners to fix the, basically, whatever problem you have with your teeth. It's like a substitute for braces. And they sent me my aligners today and my my whitening stuff today. So it's supposed to have the gaps and my overbite fixed by January, and I just got them today. It's August 30th. So step one would be to brush my teeth. Okay, so just brush my teeth. Well, I figured since they're liners, I might as well use their whitening product too, since they sent extra. My directions. Let's see how this goes. First, I'm gonna wash my hands again. I'm looking through the stuff now. I'm telling you about my tools. I read all of this stuff already. Okay, so they're all labeled by week. I have week 1, month 1, week 1, and then the last 2 weeks of the month I use the same liner. Alright, let's get started. Liners. Rewash my teeth, rewash my hands. This looks like the bottom row of my mouth. So oh, you're gonna hurt. It's gonna hurt bad. And then the top. Okay. Ah. Oh, I'm probably definitely going to bed early today. Woo. Woo. Okay. Okay, so they're in. Got a little hook to get them out. See you guys in a week when it's time to switch these bad boys. So, week 1 started. See you guys in a week. I'm probably gonna have a lisp, and they gave me lip balm, which was cool. I need some right now.